successful cause they try to They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to do the right thing. So do a good job, don't slack off. Make it better more than make it good. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do. And when you make it money, you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from nothing Who are you to tell me how to live life? And these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'm gonna figure out what else to succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. Whatever the hell can make me happy, and I'm gonna do what the clue happy. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck. This life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity and I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages. 5, 10-year plans are contagious. I can track that shit, I'm tenacious. You ain't get the fuck out of my way then. Got my money to regret it, I will fight until I get it. That one day from memories, and damn I learned some lessons. And say damn I have no questions, I had fun in every session. The journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous. Fuck all I keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck all I keep chasing.
First Doom.
Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when the words are long. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, track of them all. Just dropping a bomb to people.
First Doom.
Perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the thing's on your mind, consider it time. We'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just a start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. I just get some face, I don't have to hunt for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't